What are you coloring?
A butterfly.
Lovely.
That's a butterfly.
I love it.
Can you draw me a butterfly?
You've got a kind of a mess.
I want to get you the.
What else have you drawn here on this paper? Oh, you draw a butterfly. You draw such beautiful butterflies. I'll draw you one. Can you draw me one first, and then I'll draw you one?
This one?
Sure. What color is it?
It's not.
What color is it?
There we go. It's a butterfly.
I love it.
It's a moon. I'm a moon.
Okay, you finished. I haven't seen your four-wheeler, bud. You done yet? Is it done?